Guys, I'm back with another video, and this is my third video, and it's kind of fun, but yeah, today I think I missed out going to the paddock to see the horses in the last video, so I'm gonna try to do that today. But beg my pardon, sorry. If I don't get to do it today, I promise I will do it eventually. But yeah, we're just gonna wander around my house. I am gonna do a tour of my house, like go inside my house and stuff. Should actually do that now, but I need to turn all the lights on. I'm gonna start showing you Lou. Hang on. She's just gone. Sorry if my fingers are in the way. Sorry. Yeah, I'm just doing some vlogs. If you want me to do a gaming vlog, put it in the comments below. And yeah, I'll get back to you. Thanks. And there's another thing. That's her car. That's my dad's car. I'll try to show you Lou. Say hi. This is Lou.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, that's her. I'm gonna give you a close-up view of the horses, and then yeah, ew, Tully. See that thing? That's a doodle. I think my birthday is coming up really soon, so I'm gonna try to save up because I'm probably gonna get some money. This is Tully. Say hi, Tully. Tully, say hi. Yeah, he's shy. I don't think I can get a closer view of Tess, but Tess, come here. That's her in the feeding thing. Her head's in the way. No, her head's not in the way, but the tarp is over it. Yeah, what should I do in this video? Or the next videos? Put it in the comment below, and then I'll do what you say. But I am trying to make some bows and stuff. I'm gonna start selling some of my drawings and my craft things, like my swords that I make. There's one sword that I'm definitely selling, and I want to get some $20 from it. And I'm gonna put some pictures in the comments below. So yeah, I know this is gonna be a short video. I'm gonna try to make it to 3, and yeah. But I want to show you my motorbike again. That's that. It's a Yamaha. 46 is our favorite number. If you know about MotoGP, you can, yeah, and my thing. Do I have enough fuel? Yeah, I do. I'm gonna show you when I get back to my mum's. I'm gonna do some. There's my helmet. Yeah, when I get back to my mum's house, I'm gonna still do some vlogs. I'm gonna show you my guinea pig and stuff. But today I'm just gonna show you some tricks and do some long jumping today. I'm gonna have to put this here. Can you see? Can you guys see? No. Oh, I think I have to put it up here. Sorry if it's a bit wobbly. Sorry guys. I might not be able to do it, but I promise I'll do it in another episode. Okay? Look it down here. That look cool? I know. My dad's moving his car out because Lucy's just too chicken to drive the full drive yet. Whoop, sorry guys. Yeah, I'll come and show you my dad again. Sorry guys. Dad, say hi. Yeah, he's kind of weird. And if you like this video, be sure to like it, and thank you for watching. Bye.